Sarura, kids.
Now, is the littlest going to do the vinegar first?
Yeah.
Okay, little one. Can we put some vinegar in there so that it covers the eggs? It's a lot of squeezing, isn't it?
Now my turn. We do swapsies all the time. Now my turn.
Takes a lot of squeezing, doesn't it?
I can do it.
You keep going. You have to completely cover the eggs. And then by tomorrow, we're going to have bouncy eggs. Not eggs that we've cooked at all, just eggs that bounce on their own. Wow, bouncy eggs, bouncy eggs. You don't remember bouncy eggs because you were a baby last time. Right. You want to turn? Are those eggs covered?
Now they are covered. There we go.
Yes, those do look very well covered. Right, thank you, girls. Now, we're going to leave these eggs in that container. It tastes yucky, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very yucky.
I'm cleaning the egg.
Yeah. Well, I guess we all have different tastes. So we're going to leave that overnight. And we'll come back and when we know that the egg is ready is when we scratch the surface of the egg and the egg goes white. We're not going to cook the egg. We're just going to leave it in vinegar overnight. Apparently for the best results, you leave it in for 3 nights. That is if all the vinegar has not been eaten by these people already. And another thing you guys have got to look at as well, when we come back tomorrow, I want you to look at the size of the eggs. I want you to tell me if you think the eggs are bigger or smaller than they are right now. So right now they're both touching the edge of the jar, but there's still a bit of room in between them. And we'll have another look tomorrow, and then we can see if the eggs have grown, okay?
A bit of brown is there.
Yes, that's the first thing we notice. We've got a bit of brown. What do you think that is?
From the old skin.
That's from the outside of the egg skin, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because our eggs were brown, but now they look a bit paler. What else do you notice? Are the eggs bigger or smaller than they were last time? What do you think?
Bigger.
They're bigger? And what do you think could have made that happen? Do you think some of the vinegar got inside the egg?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know eggs have tiny little holes in the shell? So they can still drink up a little bit of moisture even though you haven't cracked them. Now, do you want to scratch the top of that egg? Anyone? What's going on there?
It's soft.
Yes, it's soft, but what's happening to the skin?
It's coming off.
That doesn't happen with normal eggs, does it?
No.
It doesn't.
But this is a bouncy one.
It's a bouncy egg, so it can lose some of the outside bit of the skin on the shell. Isn't that amazing? It's a scratchy egg. So before we figured out whether it's bouncy or not, it is a scratchy egg. So the skin of the egg scratches off. Scratch, scratch, scratch.
I got very good scratch nails.
Look at that egg. It is virtually white. Now, do you want to take out an egg each? All right, let me take an egg out for you. I'll scoop it out.
Why? So you can scratch it.
Wow, we're going to do a bit more than just scratch. Right. 1 egg for you, young lady. Are your hands big enough? Yeah, hold it with 2 hands.
I can hold it with 1. My hand is nice and big.
No, even if you have to hold it with 2, that's okay. That way you make sure that you hold onto it. And 1 egg for you. Aren't those lovely eggs? All right, no more scratching. Just bring it close to the ground and let it bounce. Do you see it bounce?
My one doesn't bounce.
It is bouncing. Don't throw it too hard though, because even though it does bounce, it will actually still break. So drop it just a little bit. Look. Here we go. Bouncy. Bouncy.
The skin
Bouncy. It isn't very hard. It's now squidgy, isn't it?
is.
It's not a hard shell. Oh, this might be the one that does it. Ooh, it survived that one. I was sure that that was going to be the one that does it. These are very robust eggs. The last time we did this one, when somebody was still a baby, that egg splattered very quickly.
And it.
Mummy's just waited. Don't scratch it too much though, sweetie, because if you scratch it too much, you'll get closer and closer to... I forgot the name of the egg white. I want to say albumin, but I don't think that's the word. I can't remember anymore.
It's very messy.
It is very messy. That's why we're doing it on the floor. Because Mummy knows that very soon these eggs are going to plop. But it's fun to see them while they're doing that. We missed the first egg plop. So you can tell that it's still a raw egg. Because it still has the ability to crack. Although it's not really a crack at this point, it is more like a, ew, yucky splooge. Yeah, hands are gonna get washed very soon.
The outside don't.
Yeah, okay, let's leave that icky bit. You wanna see how long your egg's gonna last? That egg is going strong. How many more throws do you think it'll last? How many more throws? One more?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's one. I think you have to place a new bet. How many more throws? That's two.
It's so high, Mom.
It went so high, didn't it? So that's three.
Mummy, I actually...
And four. Let's count how many more we can do. 5. 6. Oh, we're getting very lucky with this egg. I didn't even think it would last this long. Seven. That is the bounciest egg we've ever seen. 8. 9. Very bouncy. Look at that. It is virtually opaque, which means you can almost see. No, I don't trust myself. You can almost see the egg yolk inside there. 8. And this one will be number 9. 9. Ooh. Ten. Wow. Oh, I knew that one was going to be a messy one. 11 came from all the way up in the sky. And that egg splattered everywhere. So you know that that was a raw egg, but it was a very bouncy egg. Very good bouncing, girls.
I splattered.
You splattered the egg everywhere, and now it's a yucky egg yolk. Ugh. Yucky egg mess.
We don't want to eat that.
I definitely don't want to eat that egg. It's a good thing they were a bit off anyway. Right, Mummy's going to clean up. Let's say bye to everyone, and let's clean this